Hi there, students. Hokum. Okay, hokum is a noun. It's an uncountable noun. So if you say something's hokum, you think it's just complete nonsense. All everything that he's telling you is pure hokum. It's just an invented story. Yeah, it's just claptrap. It's bunk. It's bunkum. It's just rubbish. Yeah, it's a load of claptrap. Yes, his claims to be able to levitate matter, these are pure hokum. Yeah, it's rubbish. There's nothing. It's just nonsensical. You can also use hokum to talk about a play or a film or a book which is it's got maybe very sentimental material, or it's very hackneyed, it's very contrived, it's very boring, and it doesn't have anything new, and that you could call hokum as well. So I enjoyed the book, but it was pure hokum. Yeah, there was no quality in it at all, but it was easy to read and it was quite fun. I think this word hokum as well, this is something perhaps from the music halls or in the theatres, which it's a traditional technique to get a response from an audience. So I don't know if you've ever been to a pantomime, but when they say, "Oh yes it is," then the crowd or the kids are all supposed to shout, "Oh no it isn't," "Oh yes it is," "Oh no it isn't." That's an example of hokum. Yeah, in the theatre it's an obvious technique or obvious material to get a response from the people viewing. But now mostly that the music hall and things like that don't exist anymore. So hokum, yeah, a book is hokum. It's a boring, obvious plot with no subtleties to it. It's hokum as well. Okay, yeah, it's a load of old hokum. Don't listen to that hokum. It's just not true. It's pure nonsense. Yeah, his explanations are pure hokum. I hope this explanation of mine hasn't been hokum. Utter nonsense. Bunkum. Rubbish. Nonsense. Bunk. Just something that doesn't make any sense. Balderdash or piffle. It's absolute piffle what he's saying. Okay, so formality. This is an informal word. I would give it a 4, even a 3.5 in formality. Don't use it in a semi-formal or formal writing. It'll look ridiculous. Yeah. And then as to origin, well, they say it came from the American theatre. And maybe it's a mixture of hocus pocus. That's what you say when you do a magic trick. And the word bunkum. Hokum. Yeah, bunkum is another word for rubbish. Maybe I'll make a video on bunkum as well. Okay, so hokum, something that's pure nonsense, or something that's has a really cliched, everyday, mundane plot which is not original. So enough, hokum, yeah. I hope this has not been a load of old hokum. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Hokum.